Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can target your friends on Monopoly Go. So as you guys can see at the top right below bank heist, this is the next person which I'm going to loot, this person with the profile picture. So at the top right corner of your screen as well, it's going to show you that. Now if that person is not your friend, you need to do some things which I'm going to show you to switch the person. So let's say I don't want to attack this person on my next heist. I want to attack one of my friends. Now what I need to do is click on go at the bottom and roll the dice. And when I'm rolling the dice, I need to make sure my player lands on one of these tiles, the one which has train on it. And there are going to be 4 of this, one on each corner, as you guys can see. So I need to land on this tile. If I land on this tile, it's going to take me to this place where I can attack an opponent. But let's say I don't want to attack this person, I want to attack my friends. What I can do is at the bottom you can see the option called switch opponent. You want to click on switch opponent. After you click on switch opponent, there's going to be the tab called friends. Click on the friends tab, and under the friends tab it's going to show you all of the friend which you have on your Monopoly Go. So whichever person you want to attack, right beside their name there's going to be an option called go. Click on them. Once you click on them, your opponent will be switched from any random person to the person which you chose, and you can attack whichever building you want of them. So that is how you guys can target your friend on Monopoly Go. So if you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel one step. I'll see you guys next time.